cotton candy cards are people who just find this on their use page. Okay, I've just gotta stop speaking, I think. But, okay. So yeah, this time, of course, I'm showing you the fidget toys that I'm trading. I'm trading this. What is this? Trading this. Trading this. And I don't know why. Trading this mochi. I don't know, some people are just into fidget toys, so that's why I'm doing this. Trading this. It's like a puzzle ball thing. Trading this. Trading this. And also, where is it? Okay, there it is. Also, I'm trading this. And then the last thing that I'm trading. But I'm not for sure if I should be trading it. But, bye.